Prepare the hair by misting generously with Royal Treatment Bond and Seal and section into 4 quadrants. Now that our model's hair is prepped, let's mix our color with the LG CHIC Color Master Factory. Formula 1 is equal parts of 5 cm plus 5 C plus 10 volume CHIC Color Generator. Formula 2 is equal parts of 7 C plus 20 volume CHIC Color Generator plus 6 shots of orange additive. Apply the root application Formula 1 using a diagonal back color placement on horizontal sections. Apply about 2 inches down, and as you work up the head, start blending color further down to help add dimension. And apply Formula 2 on the remaining hair, blending Formula 2 into Formula 1 to create a color melt. Let it process for 30 minutes at room temperature. Rinse until the water runs clear and begin shampooing with Royal Treatment Bond and Repair Shampoo. Follow with Royal Treatment Bond and Repair Conditioner. Begin by sectioning out a circle from parietal to apex and clip the hair out of the way to section the fringe. Walk around the head, pulling the hair straight out. Starting at the center back, take vertical sections and slide cut into the mid-shaft to remove weight and create texture. Start with a half circle, then bring it straight up and cut horizontally. Cut a blunt bang to the desired length and texturize to create wispy bangs and frame the face.